What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-color print job, and it's going to be for my boss. Stay tuned. Alright, amigos. So today I'm going to actually do a print job for my boss. It's a 3-color. It's only green, yellow, and black. And finally, the shirts have finally arrived. This literally took a week to arrive, man. I'm kind of disappointed in this company. It's called Mi Playera. So right now I'm going to get started. So this print I'm doing is actually my 3rd time doing it. And it's a design I actually did for my boss for work uniforms. I made the design. It's a 3-color. And normally when I print my films, I use this paper called Banana. And the problem with this paper is that this kind of blocks some of the light. And since I do print this at Office Depot, the print is not really that dark. So you can say some of the lights came through here, and some of the lights came blocked here at the same time, which causes me issues. And since this is a chest print I'm doing, I just have to do these papers. And now these aren't screen printed films, they're just transparent papers. They are printed with the lasers. And again, I go to Office Depot for these ones, but I double it so it could be extra dark. And when I use these, I have less problems with exposing my screens. I actually exposed these yesterday, which was Friday. No problems at all, so good thing. Oh, since I'm talking, this is why I want my own printer. I printed this and this outline right here after I went to Office Depot and printed it out. And I put on top of the other colors. I realized it's too thin, it's like really butt to butt. So I decided to make the stroke wider. I mean wider, or you can tell. But yeah, so that's what sucks about not having your own printer. I have to wait till the next day to go to Office Depot to print it out. But yeah, so I made that change so it won't be butt to butt, as well as on this part. This usually goes around, and the first time I did my shirts, I left it there. I didn't even bother removing it, but this time I decided to do it because I realized some of the color was going through the yellow, so I cut that out. So now I'm going to register these screens, do a print sample. Then I'll start doing my shirts. First tape. Alright, time for the test print. Excuse me. Let's start with yellow. Just gotta check to make sure it's registered, as well as for any pinholes that I didn't cover up when I was covering with the emulsion. Yellow. I don't see any pinholes. I'm going to use tape. That way I can register in case my other colors are not perfect. I don't have to do another print, I could just wipe it off. So let's do the green now. Looks good. I don't see any pinholes. Now let's cover that up. Okay, now the black. As I'm looking at it, the black's off and to go more up, and I forgot to cover our registration mark. So let's do it again. Let's go more this way. I'm gonna take this part right here because the registration mark, man. First registration mark that I didn't cover up because I don't know why. It was this way, and I can't see. And then test print. There we go. Looks perfect. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, I don't have a good. I'm using a tripod. There we go. Not that bad. This is why it's really important to, how do you say, to stroke or choke part of your design to make registering a lot easier, because if it's literally butt to butt, man, it's gonna be really hard to register unless you have micros, but I don't have micro registration at all. I just realized that to do it just by tapping it. So yeah, so choking and stroking helps out a lot. So I'm gonna do another test print without just doing it like that. So this comes out. Oh, right there, pinhole. Found one. I don't know exactly where is that, but I'm just gonna block everything. Alright, so I'm gonna cure this, and then I'm gonna start printing. Wow. I love the smell of new clothes, man. It's the best smell. I swear, I think someone should make a cologne, or how do you say it? A cologne, whatever you say, of that smell, because I love it, man. But anyways, let's do the first test print. Moment of truth. I forgot about these buttons, man. Oh, I'm gonna do it this side. So I'm gonna change my squeegees because I forgot about these buttons, and this one, the squeegee for the black, is too long. So I'm going to change that one. Now, this is what I'm going to end up doing. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to take off the squeegee of the black, replace it with the squeegee from the yellow, and the yellow I'm going to put a very small squeegee since it's just a small lettering. There we go. Problem solved. So there's a print.
Perfect. Perfect.
so I'm done with my shirts. Again, this is my 3rd time doing this. My first time I did this order, oh my god, I took forever. I remember the first time I did this, I was up to 2 in the morning. And that's because I had little experience. I didn't have the flash dryer. And I always assumed that after every cut you have to flash. So what I ended up doing was I'll print the yellow. I don't have a heat gun, so I'll use the blow dryer. Hit the print with the blow dryer and let it cool. Hit it again with the yellow. Blow dry again. Let it cool. Green. Blow dry. Let it cool. Again green. Blow dry. Let it cool. The black. Blow dry. Let it cool. Then I'll take it to the heat press. And yeah, that took forever, man. And then I realized, I was talking to my husband, that when you see the heat press, the print doesn't have to be dry, man. You can literally print, take it out of the palette, and put it to the heat press, and just press on it, and it'll be perfect. But I didn't know that, so I kind of feel embarrassed, man. I should have known that, but I didn't, and it can help me back, as well as printing where I was assuming you had to print, flash print. No, now I know you could just print wet on wet. I did that with this print, had no problems, a lot faster. And since I had the flash dryer, I didn't have to hit it with the heat press. I just lift the shirt from the palette and put the flash dryer on top of it, and it will do the cure. And again, with time, you learn from your mistakes, which might make you speed up your process. And later on, you're going to look back and you're like, I didn't know that before. But this is the whole process of screen printing, man. Just be patient. You'll get better at it. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting better at it. I'm speeding my process, getting faster, getting better results. So yeah, so patience is the key here. But anyways, I think that's all for today's video. I'm pretty much done. Oh, one thing. I did end up printing one extra shirt on this dry blend from Gildan, because supposedly this is supposed to be more like comfortable, or how do you say, cooler on your body. So I ended up ordering one when I did my purchase on those Gildan shirts. It costs a lot more, but I think it'll be worth it for someone. For example, for me, when I'm always sweating and everything, I always. So I got one just so I could have as a sample. Might as well print it so they can actually see a design on it. But anyways, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, or if you want to, you can just send me a message on Instagram or Facebook, any of those platforms, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And for comments on YouTube, sometimes your comments end up being the spam. I don't know why, and it takes me a while for me to actually check those out. So if you leave a comment and I don't reply to you, I'm not ignoring you. It's just I probably haven't noticed it. So yeah. So again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and social media, all that. But let me tell you, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.